Right, let's look at the assembly of the booster section. Now what we're going to do is we're going to start with the marking of the positions of the fins onto the tube. We take our tube, we stand it onto the fin alignment guide. The fin alignment guide can be printed out from the PDF file that is on our website. And all you do is you make a mark at each position. Now, you can set that aside. We have a mark here at 120 degrees apart. Using our aluminium angle or the door frame method, we extend the lines. Make sure you hold it down properly. Extending the lines. Now, you could take your fin and mark approximately 1 centimeter from one end. So an easy way is to actually use the fin's tab, hold it with the one hand at the position there, and just mark it. We just want the even spacing around each of the fins. Right, then take the fin and just hold it at that mark and then mark the other end. Right, take the fin, put it aside. Now we're going to make another line just to the right and to the left. Right. Now these will indicate where our fin slots will need to be cut. Cutting the fin slots using your Stanley knife. Careful, the blade is very, very sharp. Don't try to rush it. take a fin and make sure it fits in the slot. Very good. Now repeat for the other two positions. Also, safety tip, when you put your blade down after using it, make sure to take the blade back into the handle. Right.